All right, y'all. So we got the Hellcat out today. Let's do a little cold start for y'all real quick. Yes, sir. About to get inside, and I'm gonna catch you guys when we start moving. All right, y'all. So we're in the Hellcat now. Y'all can see. Make sure this is going right. Yes, it is. That's good. Alright, let's get out of here, out of this mall, strip mall area. Oh, a scat! You saw the wide body? I saw a wide body scat, bro. I saw a wide body scat. I need to see if he'll get on the highway. I need to see. I want some content. I want some content, bro. I mean, it's already content enough that I have a Hellcat now. But if we can get that scat, I don't know, bro. This light's gonna take forever. I think we lost him, unfortunately. Hey, we got the Hellcat though, bro. We got that Whine. We got that supercharger that y'all are probably gonna hear anytime soon when I get this going. Oh, you just went through. Man, just went through. Oh, can I don't want to scrape. Yeah, I don't want to scrape. Oh, I see him. Y'all hear that? I'm gonna get this light. Yep, I got the light. Oh my god, this thing is popping. Bro, I see the scat. The scat's in front. Oh, I swear if these people miss it. Bro, the scat's going. Come on, bro, go. I don't have time for this. Let's put it back in auto. Get over. I see the scat, he's getting on. Wait, no, is he here? I don't think he got on yet. Or is he going straight? No, he's there. Yo, the scat, you see it? The wide body? Let's go this way. Come on, bro, we need to see a wide body charger on this video, bro. Come on, we got one and we got a scat. Oh no, the scat's leaving. I don't know if he can hear. He probably can hear that Whine. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. He's is he getting on the high? Oh, he's probably getting off. No, he's getting on. He's getting on. Bro, I need to see this guy. Oh my god, there's too much traffic though. This truck is here too. There's the scat. He's got off the highway. Oh, I thought he was gonna stay. He didn't stay, unfortunately. Oh well, we tried. I tried to get it. But unfortunately, I didn't get in time. He got off. I thought he was gonna stay on. That's too bad. I thought I wanted to see a wide body scat for y'all, but oh my god, excuse me. This thing, oh, there's a Corvette. Z06 Corvette. They're going that way. I could have played with him too. I want some food in traffic. I'm a Hellcat guy now, bro. I need that. I can now go against these fast cars on the highway, bro. Oh my god, this thing sounds so good. Y'all ready for a little pull? Actually, I want to hear some Whine. Wow, those shifts sound so good. Woo. All right, y'all. Let's do a little quick pull. Oh my god, I hear this Whine. Y'all hear that? Woo! Y'all hear that whine? Bro, it's like exhale whine, like it's just slowing down. Bro, we're about to have a good under the bridge right here. I ain't gonna lie. Let's do a little under the bridge action. Y'all ready? Yo, do you hear that? Oh my God, bro. I'm losing my voice over this car. This car is insane. The exhaust, the whine, bro, I got the best thing on the channel now. Y'all better subscribe if y'all enjoying this POV, bro, because we're on the way to 2,000. This is gonna get easy because this content's gonna be so good. Bro, this thing is him. This thing is him. It's so crazy. It sounds so good. Bro, we got traffic though. We got traffic. My biggest fear. My biggest fear in life. Traffic. Anyway, I'm gonna get over. Y'all ready to listen to it a little bit? Y'all hear the sound? Oh my God, this thing sounds good. And those shifts are so violent. I love it. I love it. This thing is so much fun. I'm in sport mode too. Let's yo, should we put in track? Are we ready for track, you think? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do track for a moment. We're only gonna do like a little pull-in track. Come on, bro. Go, there we go. Oh yeah, those shifts, you feel them now. You feel them now. Oh, we're about to go crazy on this straight right here. I'm about to go crazy. I think I was like, is that a TRX? No. I thought I saw a TRX. Got this truck on my bumper too, bro. What does he want? I'm trying to go. I got a Honda Accord in front of me. You should move. This guy should move, bro. And now he's gonna speed up. I can't get any open roads right now. This stinks. This stinks. I need some opens. Need some openings. All right. Yeah, you better move here. I'm gonna go otherwise. No? Oh my God, it sounds so good. It's whining. Bro, track mode's a different beast. Yeah, I can see why you don't want to drive in this all the time. This is hard. This is so... It's not soft, that's for sure. Oh, we gotta open. Look at this opening. Oh, that guy just pulled all the way across the lane. Oh, this road's so bumpy. Oh my God. Sheesh. Bro, I can't believe I have this thing. This is so much fun. Y'all ready for this content, bro? Because we are about to go crazy on the content. Listen to that. Let's go back into sport. I think the roads are dry enough now. I don't need it in custom. I'll just put it in regular sport. It changed, right? Yes, it did. Good. Oh, I remember my GT500 pulls, bro. We are about to go crazy on the channel. Y'all be ready, bro. Oh my God, bro. I cannot wait. Let's just listen to that whine a little bit. Enough of those pulls. Y'all hear that? Bro, it's like music to my ears, this thing. This thing has music. It does. It really does, bro. This thing plays music for you. You don't even need to listen to music. I don't. I listen to that Whine all day. Downshift. Is it outside? Turn around. Y'all hear that? Another downshift. Y'all hear it? Yeah! That thing sounds crazy. Woo! Alright, we're about to turn around here. We'll get a nice straight pull. Nobody's looking at the car, bro. Nobody cares about Hellcats. I don't know. Some people might just think it's a Dodge Charger, unless they really know things like muscle cars, but... My God! Woo! Bruh, this car is gonna give so much content. I'm not even gonna lie. I love this car. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for today's POV. Cause I don't have anything else left to do. Let me just you know what? I'll give you guys some Whine. Y'all hear that? It's so nice. And the exhaust in this thing is insane too, but bro, we all care about that Whine. That's what we love, but I love the exhaust too because it goes well with this car. I think it has Corsa Extremes on it, and that's why it sounds so good. Like there's no drone. There's no drone. I don't have any drone in the cabin. I could just be chilling. Like look, I'm just chilling. I don't have to worry about drone. No drone. I'm like, no headachy feel. This car is beautiful. Oh my God, bro. The orange eye. That's this car, bro. The orange eye. Bro. I got me an orange eye. And we about to do some crazy stuff on this channel. But yeah. That sport mode does not play around. That's the one thing about sport mode. It lets you get sideways. Track doesn't. That's what I like about track. It keeps you more like stuck to the ground. But in terms of putting the power down. Yeah, right here. Just chilling. Alright. Why'd the charger get over? He's broke down? That's too bad. He broke down. Oh, my charger buddy broke down on the side of the road. I wish that wide body scat was on the highway. I would have had fun. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you are new here, subscribe, bro. We are on the way to 1,000. I'm bringing content like this all the time for y'all to listen to. Yeah, that sound. Just subscribe, bro, because I appreciate all the support. And yeah, like the video, share it. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.